Which of the following is an equation of the line tangent to the graph of y equals cosine x at x equals pi over 2?
Okay, let's underline equation, tangent line, and I'm going to write out the skeleton model. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And for a tangent line, we need a point, and we also need a what? Slope. Very good. And the cool thing about the point, they already give you what the x value is. Pi over 2. And then, can we also plug this one in here to find the y coordinate?
Yes.
Okay, let's do that. We have y is equal to cosine of pi over 2. And pi over 2 is a quadrantal, which goes right here. What was the order pair of pi over 2? 0, 1. Very good. That means cosine is 0 and sine is 1. Do we all see that? Okay? So that means cosine of pi over 2, it is going to be 0. So we have, so that's our x1 and y1. And then for the slope, I need to find out, given the original y prime. Okay, thinking of snow cone. Cosine is derivative of what? What's the derivative of cosine? Negative sine. And then I need to figure out what's happening at pi over 2. What number is pi over 2 for the sine? Did we all say 1? So we have negative 1 specifically. So then we're going to plug it into this guy over here. So we have y minus 0 is equal to my slope is negative 1 times x minus pi over 2. And what would that match?
C.
C it is? Are we okay with that? Okay. Number 7 is a little bit different because I have to kind of quick teach you something about derivative of exponential with x's. So number 7. All right, let's kind of recall. We went over this today as well. This means what? That means find the derivative. Very good. So let's kind of recall. If I ask you to find the derivative of x to the power 5, isn't that 5x to the 4th?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I find 5x to the 4th, A doesn't have it. B has it, right? C has it, and D has it. So I'm going to give you a rule with an example. And this will be like a random example, not related. It is kind of related to this, but different question. If I give you y to the power of, y is equal to 3 to the power of x. Here's a rule that's going to work out every single time that I have not taught you yet. You write out the original, and then you multiply by the natural log of that base number. So let's kind of mimic what's happening right here. Oh, there we go. Y'all can see it better. So again, it is itself times the natural log of the base number. So if I mimic what's happening right here, I have 5 to the power of x, and that's our y equals. For y prime, what do I copy? 5 to the power of x times the what? Natural log of that base number 5. Which one actually has that? D it is. That, again, was not taught to you, so I gave you a quick teach. Everyone good on that? Okay? So I would add that example to your flashcards at some point. But for now, let's go on to number 8. On number 8, where is my limit approaching? Infinite. This is pre-cal concept, or even Algebra 2, second semester concept. Circle the highest power. If I have e to the power of x, and my x is approaching a negative, isn't it really, really heavy on the bottom? So this technically is low over high. And what was the phrase? Low over high, what equals y? 0 equals y. So this was not a calculus concept.